Hi lovelies, so here I am doing a makeup tutorial. This is just a basic makeup tutorial, so I just want to show you guys how I usually do my day-to-day makeup look. I don't go too over the top for like a day-to-day look, so what I'm doing is just a little bit of eyeshadow, just using the two tones. I do use two lots of different foundations just because I like to give that sort of blended 3D kind of a bit of a more of just a basic tone. I like to just add a bit of color to my skin, so I go in with the contour. I always have a liquid contour to start with, and then I go on to use a powdered contour just to go over and just chisel those cheekbones and that jawline. So that's what I'm doing here. I've done my eyebrows, my eyeshadow already. I go on to the baking. So always apply baking powder to my skin in those areas. Just helps with the oily skin side of things. You know, us girls that struggle with oily skin, you know the troubles that we have. You know, you'll be there one minute looking all fleek and then the next minute you've got an oily face. Honestly, baking powder will save your life. As I said before, going in with now the powdered contour, so that just accentuates those lines that I want to pop a little bit more. So specifically, you know, the cheekbones, and then I do go move down towards the jawline just because I've got to chisel that face, chisel those cheekbones, girl, chisel them. I like to make my face look a bit smaller than it is. So yeah, chisel away those chins that we've all gained through lockdown. We don't want any of that. Get that blusher on, get yourself a bit of colour on your cheeks. We're all struggling at the moment for a bit of sun, you know, winter blues and all that jazz. But if you apply your makeup right, you don't have to look like the winter and lockdown's getting to you. Get that mask on. So yeah, a little bit of pink, especially on the nose, on the cheeks, just gives you that little bit of an extra glow. We then go on to the lip liner. So I always go for a lip liner that's like, you know, sort of matching my natural lip colour. It just accentuates it a bit more, adds a bit of definition. You know, you don't want to look like a baboon's bum, but at the same time, you want a nice little pout going on. You know, none of us can get our fillers at the moment, so we're just going to have to lip line our life away. And that's what I'm doing here, just adding a bit of liner. Give yourself that natural pout, and then going in with a lighter lipstick. That just honestly makes it more pouty, makes it pop, gives it more definition to your lips, makes your lips look fuller, more natural with the lip liner, and just gives it that nice little mwah, that nice look. I love it. Thanks for watching my first tutorial. Any advice, tips, anything at all, let me know. Thank you guys. Comment and like if you liked it. Thank you.